Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to log into Leiden University student portal. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is open up Google Chrome or a browser of your choice, and then in the search bar simply type in Leiden University login. That is Leiden University, and hit go or enter on your keyboard. Tap on the first thing saying login Leiden University. Tap on login. You can also accept the cookies if you'd want to, and then tap on Leiden University. Here you must enter a username along with your password and then hit login. The credentials to login should be provided to you by a college or university either in your email or during the time of admission. If this is the first time that you're logging in, you must activate your account. Simply hit activate account at the bottom left of your screen. Here you'll have to enter your ULC and username along with your date of birth. Your ULC and username should be provided to you by a college or university, after which you can hit activate and follow the on-screen instructions to activate your account, and then you can head back over to the login page, enter your username and password, and then log into your account. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.